All right. Okay, we should be live now. Let me quickly check. Hmm. All right. I think we are live now. Yep, we are live. Perfect. Sounds good. Good to be live. Obvious thing to say, but okay. Let me post this on my Discord channel, guys. Go to stream notifications at everyone. Okay, at everyone. Are live now? Okay, this is done. All right, I'm gonna wait for some time. That's why I started streaming now, so that we can wait. Let everyone join, and then we can start. Let me fix the camera a bit. I don't know. I think I should probably do this. Is this better? Maybe you guys don't need to. I don't know. So during the streaming part, we will make sure that I have turned on my camera. But when I'm coding, I'll probably just turn it off and focus on coding. Kind of helps there. Where's the chat? Where's the chat? There you go. Live chat. Okay, there was this thing, right? Windows Alt T. Power Toys. What was it? Always on top is Windows Control T. Okay. Tada, nice. Perfect. Sounds good. All right. I'm gonna wait for everyone to join and then we'll start. Okay. This is all good. Uh, whoever joins, they can say hi as always. I hope my voice is good. I hope my camera is good. Everything is good. Let's just see that our code is good. Huh. It's something that we have to work for. Documents, projects, context pilot RS. Oh. Are? Are? Hello Itachi. Swanand. What's up? क्या हाल चाल? कैसे हो तुम? How's everything? Going well? I think we can probably start cleaning up things now. Did I really? Oh, I defined this here, is it? बस मैं भी बढ़िया यार. Thank you so much. Everything is well. आपकी दुआ है and आशीर्वाद है. Cool. I'm gonna wait for a few more people to join. I mean, I scheduled it for 3 p.m. So I think let's give them some 5 to 10 minutes to join and then we can start. Uh, oh, I should be in Zelich right now. Yep, better. Okay, everything is fine. Yep, okay. आज छुट्टी. यस यार, यस. ईद मुबारक. हैप्पी नवरात्रि, उगाड़ी, गुड़ी पड़वा. बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स है ना. यू डोंट हैव हॉलीडेज क्या? है ना. अच्छा, गुड. I think आज तो mandatory holiday है, something like that, right? So I guess everyone is supposed to be off today. If you're not, please talk to your manager or the government. हाँ. बहुत लोगों को नहीं भी है. Is it? Seriously? Come on. सड़कों पे आ जाओ भाई. No, I'm just kidding. Don't. Government मुझे arrest कर लेगी because I just caused a whole widespread आंदोलन. Yeah, I should become Mahatma Gandhi by now. हाँ. चश्मे के साथ do I look better? No. पहनना पड़ेगा ना guys, लेकिन कुछ कर नहीं सकते. It's not about looking good and all. Streaming is tiring sometimes. हमारे फ्री हॉलीडेज बता दी कंपनी ने, हटा दिया कंपनी ने, अब सिर्फ फिक्स्ड हॉलीडेज मिलेंगे। व्हाट? ओह, आई मीन हाँ यार, आजकल कंपनीज कर रही हैं सर। आई डोंट नो why not. Well, I mean, I get it. Why? One second, guys, I need to fix something. I mean, it makes sense if they want people to work like robots, or if they don't trust their employees, which I think in this case is the second one. Because, I mean, in general, it's very hard to trust people. If they start hiring by asking lead code questions, what will happen? Yo, Varenya, what's up? Fuck yeah. Ah, yeah. Let me see. This is better. Yeah. One thing I think everyone should do is start having a keyboard tray, which I don't have right now. I've just put another table under the table to have it as a keyboard tray. It helps a lot. How many bitches I got, and see how I ace the office by Sahab. Varu, you guys will not be hearing the train voice, right? Chalo, I think everything is good overall. Varu aa gaya hai, Swanand is here. I'm waiting for Dave as well. Zero bitches, that's why. Ouch. I didn't employ. Yeah, that's, I mean, see, if you're calling your girlfriend as a bitch, even if she is not there in your life, there are possibilities that you'll be fired already by this HR policy. I don't think they'll consider that, okay, you're single and zero distraction. But I get your point. What the fuck is that? Theme? It's not good. You don't like it? तुम लोग को मेरी थीम और कॉन्फ़िग से बहुत दिक्कत रही है ना हमेशा से। ऑल्सो bitches तो GF है ही नहीं। ओह, मेक सेंस। अच्छा, आई कैन रिमूव दिस, इज इट? इट्स वेरी ब्लैक, यूज वाइट, ओके। टड़ा, बेटर? Yeah, racist. I am all in for racist things. I've been born to. This is slightly better. Or you want something very. Go back to black, yeah. This is fine, na? This whole default theme of Neovim is actually really good. This is better. Tokyo is nice. And what about this? This default theme is nice, right? Turbo C++. Yeah, that reminds us of those, right? How's my voice? Voice is good. This is nice. Yeah, I like the default theme. I think there's just a few things they need to work better on. For example, I think, oh, this is a, yeah, I can get rid of this. Yes, yeah. Yeah, I don't need this. I don't think I need mate second as well. Yeah. Time to some cleanup. Voice तो सुरीली क्या बात है? मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है। Yeah, I wish this song would. I mean, if I was allowed to play songs on YouTube streams, dude, I want to be a big streamer so that I can play songs on YouTube streams. I'm back. Yes. So, I mean, there were multiple motivations to wrap this up, to be honest. And one of them was, of course, like stream on Twitch. Stream, I mean, you can't do the same thing on. I mean, I don't think you can play music on stream, right? I mean, Twitch, right? Especially this one, this मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. You can? I need to check. I mean, I know that you can. Okay, you just won't earn fair. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. We are not anyways earning. I was hoping that one day if I start streaming continuously, we should. But अभी तो यार जिंदगी की what लाग रही है. Can't really do anything. So Tokyo Night has this thing where it has highlights, but apparently and very surprisingly, I thought default theme had. Yeah, default theme also has it, but just not very relevant. Koi na we stream for fun, not monies. Yeah. Yeah, I should. Okay, I mean, I didn't know that you can. Okay, you can play music. Oh. So, I mean, you cannot just earn through that stream, right? But you can still earn through your Twitch channel, I guess. I guess. Hmm? No, I say it with the O. Morais. Morais. Monize. Acha, it's Moni. Arey, yaar, fuck, I should. I zoom it a bit. Like I have kept my camera. I mean, this whole monitor I have is very Monais. Say it with the O. Monies. Monies you mean. Monies. Monies. अंधा हो गया छोरा अपना नहीं 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 सॉरी अच्छा ये मनी नो मनी अच्छा नो हनी नो मनी हाँ finally I got it yay I can get rid of these db metadata is simpler now congratulations guys this is amazing and you don't need this anymore or do you fuck I don't want to break things right now guys I'll go back to keeping it there current progress is not used is it I mean okay yeah it's not used really but maybe I'll use it someday right अंधा हो गया छोरा अपना yes oh yes okay where is everyone else यार जल्दी आओ भाई देखो अभी 2 घंटे पहले बताया है ना और देखो अब our guy is not here yet Dev no clue चलो ठीक है let's start maybe actually let me show you the demo so I mean you remember right context palette was essentially giving you the relevant files based on git commit history I think it should be here soon I hope but what I did was so like you can select this and you can do context palette context range and this will give you some output very soon so indexing has already been done right and there you go so as you can see it's going to give you all the files that are relevant and if you can see like if you can see src main.rs is itself the most relevant obviously srcdb.rs has 7077 occurrences elgo loc git command and all of those things okay and dev.md config.rs dbknown.rs have been edited the like I mean they have not been edited more number of times compared to other files right so this is what it is right now it also gives you the occurrences earlier it was not giving you that so you kind of have more confidence the problem is that it should also show you something like I can also search by the way as you can see it's a telescope picker so there's no rocket science here but I can click as well it will open the file for you now the point is most of the times what I want is I want to be able to find the contextual not just files but also contextual line of code right so in that case for example if I'm editing let's say if I do path.is file or let's not even go there what about db metadata right so I would assume that db metadata wherever it is db.rs should be the one which is probably the most number of times it's been edited so if I do context authors no context current line so that's going to give me all the data that we have it's going to run the command in background and do it as soon as possible it's come on don't be that slow why is it slow I think it failed for some reason is it wait I'm in main.rs right yeah context pilot context current line how does this go for a very huge file system? It works fine yeah so as you can see like db.rs is the second number over here apart from the current file itself so it's nice that way I think it kind of gives you some confidence but to answer your question the only slow thing that is there so I'll show you okay first of all let me actually show you something मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ. So this is the whole DB, right? So I'll show you mapping.json first to start with, right? So config.rs is in 1.json, cargo.toml is in fourth file, cargo.toml again is in the fourth file, and db.rs is in third file, author details impl is fourth file and all. So we have a mapping so that people don't have to really search, right? So let me actually go and open that file for you. So let's open one of those files. I don't think I should be doing nvim. I should be doing vim because these files are going to be huge. So this is like 16,614 lines of code. What I've done is, I think you guys remember I mentioned this was a sharding thing. So this is only for config.rs. If you keep going down, you'll see. Yeah. Now next thing that there is like 2.json. As you can see, like again config.rs is continued here. And then there's git command elgo.rs as well, right? So I want to, okay, can I go up, go up. I mean, this is huge. This is what? Oh, wow, this is huge file. This is 2292109 lines of code, which means what? Oh, you guys cannot see, right? Wait, how do I do this? Okay. I mean, the lines of code is huge. Okay, this is like 2,29,000. No, it's 22,92,109 lines of code, right? So that's why it's huge, and that's why some of the things are very slow. And this is something we need to fix, right? So this is like, and that too, after all of that, as you can see, like the whole, and this is what 92 lakhs 6,000. Oh, guys, I think I need to show you this. Look at this, guys. So this is what 92 lakhs 6,858 lines of code. Crazy. I mean, this big it should not be if we are doing database sharding. So we need to fix this for sure. And author full name was not probably passed right because some changes in the git command. Yeah, that's way too much, right? So if after all of this we are able to get proper, like it wasn't that slow if you ask me. That means if we make these files very short in terms like JSON loading should be very um, fast in that case, then we'll be able to fix this, right? So let's do that maybe. But for now we need to also implement the context authors command. Right now it doesn't work. If you remember, we had this authors that, okay, who is the most relevant person who has edited this code most number of times, right? So that's something that I want to do. So yeah, I mean, these are the things, guys. Let me turn on the AC. It's very hot in Bangalore now. One second, one second. Okay, I'm back. Let me turn it on. Yeah, so you get that, right? I mean, we are doing a lot of things async while indexing as well. So indexing wasn't really slow. If you guys want to see how slow was indexing, so let me delete this file and do cargo context pilot again. If you do help, you will see, okay, this is how it works. So what you need to do is you need to pass the directory first. So I'm going to do pwd, which is my current project. And I'm going to do -t index. That means I want to start indexing. And I want to do I think that's it, right? We don't need anything else. Yeah. So as you can see, like it's gonna show you all the logs as well. There are some debugging logs, no author data is found and all. So I think I can probably skip those. Those are like not relevant because these files, if you can see, wherever this error is happening, this is for like .git files, and which is like not major concern. See, it's done already. I think now, apparently, I'm assuming that my, yep, there you go. Is it now better? Yeah, I'm assuming that this time my DB would have written things fine. So this is 16,615 lines of code, 1.json. Let's go with 2.json. So this is, oh, okay, this is huge. I see what's happening actually. This is config.rs, right? And what was 1.json? Well, the 11.json is going to be huge by now. So I think what's happening is it's, I think I get the point. So there's something going wrong over here. Yeah, that's huge. 150. Okay. I think of course that I'll expect it to hang up, but how? Okay, even Vim. Oh, what? It's what 185,06986. What is it? 1,850,000. No, it's 18,506,986. I don't even want to do 1 CR or what. This is huge. Yeah, this is 1 crore 85. Okay, this is not good. What changed here? So nothing changed as such, right? We are going last, appending the previous file to this. That's what I thought, but if you look at this, I mean, I don't even want to maybe. So it starts with context GPT structs.rs. Yeah, that's why this sharding was done so that I don't have to deal with this. But this all sounds very. Yeah, maybe. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, Yeah, this is bad actually, by the way. So what I see is this 15 is supposed to give you that for the 15th line, this is what I got. Right? I think the way we are storing into a DB is wrong. And then you fucked up. Could be. Yeah, let's try to load this in. All right, wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna do this stupid mistake of loading. iShow speed is live with 160k viewers. Cool. Nice. Oh. And hi, Ankit. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I've been watching Speed's memes and all. I think he's crazy with the amount of energy he has for everything, right? So yeah, huge respect to him for that. But if you see, with the 4.json file, let's look at 4.json, right? Maybe. Okay. Yeah, so this is 4.json is 22. It's 2,29,713 lines. Okay, so 229k is the whole thing. Now, if I go and look at, so what I want to look at is for cargo.toml. Okay, so this one is the, can I do E and can I go here and can I probably copy this and can I exit and can I do this? Ta-da! Crazy. Yeah, so as you can see, this is all fine. So if you can see what cargo.toml is, how many lines of code, like, okay, let's go here and look at cargo.toml. So this is like 16 lines of code, right? So like you can see it's going from 0 to 15. So that means it is done for all the lines of code. And what's happening is for each line, it's going from 0. So it's going last 5 commits, right? So that's what it's doing. That's my guess. So let's look at the data maybe. I don't know how huge this is. But yeah, this is like n line number, yeah, as you can see, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go, right? So this is what I meant. These are the last 5 commits that it has seen, and this makes sense, okay? And then again, it starts with 14, 15, 14, 15, and there you go. Like again, 5 jump, you go 13, 15. So overall, this logic looks fine to me. This is what I wanted to do at least, and I am not concerned about it. Let's keep going up. And I hope it pauses at 0.15. Yeah, there you go, right? There's something going on here where it tried going back to, yeah, I think this is where we went wrong, right? So we had line number 1 to 15. Okay, so this is for 13. So for 13th line number, what we want to do, this is, okay, now it is done again for 12 to 15. Okay, there you go, right? So for each line number, we are going through the each file. Yeah, I think, see, again, now we are doing 9 to 15. Oh, this doesn't look right to me. What are you trying to do here, right? This is not right. Yeah, because over here, you will see again something, yeah, 9 over here. So for 9th line number, we are going from 1 to 15, 2 to 15, 3 to 15, or maybe just I'm not storing it right. Why am I doing it this way? Yeah, this seems wrong to me. But anyways, let's just make sure that we are able to build as well. Yeah, oh fucked. Yeah, yes. Yeah, let me just make sure that I'm able to build again, because I don't want to, and I don't have any changes yet. Yeah, sounds good, right? So okay, how should it work? Now I forgot. Okay, how should you index a file, right? So you want to iterate through the whole file. For each line number, you want to look at the 5 commits, last 5 commits for each line number, and you want to say that, okay, so maybe what I'm doing is that I'm imagining, see, eventually what will happen is someone will run this only for this section. They will try to request for a context, right? So this is like, let's say this is how much line? 17th. Okay, can you please Uh, no, set number. How do you do? Arey yaar, how do you unset? Guys, do you remember? I forgot. Is it options.lua relative number array? There was this relative number, right? Yeah, I think you will. Okay, I can do that at least. Um, space UL. Yeah, there you go. Right. So we are from 17th to 28th line number to 8. Now, this is what they want. Now, my question is, let's say if they want context from 17th to 28th line of code, what should be the context looking like, right? Um, yeah. So for each line number, look at the last 5 commits. So from 17th to 28th line number, look at the last 5 commits, right? Yeah, n into m. So n is the each line, like I mean total 28 minus 7. Yeah, line 17, 18 and all. Yeah, right. So right now what my code has done probably is look at the git blame from 17 to 28. Look at the not actually 17 to 28. Look at the blame from 17 to 452, 18 to 452, 19 to 452 and keep going on. So I think it's just trying. I don't know if it's relevant though. Does Git provide us any Git blame? There's no Git blame for this, right? Uh, wait. Let me see. What was the Git blame? Git Git blame buffer. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, Git blame is only for the line. Git blame has never been made for a whole set of lines. Yeah, so I think we forgot. I mean, we did this mistake where we were doing for each line. So what we can do is probably go to iterate through workspace function where we actually go through each file and then try to index. So the code is in. If you go over here, it's valid file. If it's a valid file, we basically do index file. Okay. So this is the relevant part. In an index file, what we are doing is we take the file and we do perform for whole file. So this is the logic where it goes, right? Let file equal to open, that's fine. Match count lines, handle file, okay. Count of subtracting sub 1 is okay. Then we do okay, start line number is 1, end line number is usize. Yeah, this is fine. So what we should be doing is we should be going from each line to another line instead of doing get okay. So extract line number, start line number, end line number. You do it from so git blame does give you information about end line number and so it makes sense. I never thought git blame does that, but let me actually try this out, guys. Um, let's go here. Let's do git blame -l. What is it? Start line number, end line number. Okay, and that's in the comma, is it? So let's say 1 comma 10 hyphen w hyphen m hyphen c hyphen main.rs, right? Yeah. Can you please note down this thing, guys? Anyone? So you see, this is 82, this is 7a. Okay, just remember this is 82, this is 7a. Okay, 82 and 7a. Now what I want to see is if I just do 1 comma 2, it's 82 and 7a. So it's the same, right? So when we do, so this should ideally be just one op that you do from start line number to end line number. And now when you have done this passed output passed, this is fine, get output, get data for line. Yeah, now why are we doing this git blame again? Oh. Okay. No, this is not a clean code, to be honest. Like, I don't like it. So over here, until this point, we got the vector of, yes, 82 and 7a, right? So by this point, passed output basically means whatever we saw here. So we passed all of this into a vector of some struct we have, okay? So far, so good. Then we do trash code as usual. I don't know, bro. Sometimes I do that, yeah. Good morning. You finally woke up, sir. You're going to wake up at 2 o'clock. He wakes up at 3. Why is a gloomy day, right? You're very good morning, pineapple. Arey baap re. Uh, Author detail for line. So for each line, you go with the last 5 commits again. That's fine. Get files for commit hash. For each file in out files. अरे fuck भाई क्या कोड लिखा है बाप रे बाप crazy. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah. Hey, the fuck? Bro, what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna be very simple, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys. So in life, when this happens, go to ChatGPT and ask it to fix it. So let's see if ChatGPT can fix this kind of code. Uh, Wait, let me open the history one. I think I had a bug review thing with my project here. Yeah, so let's get this here, okay? So this is the one we have, right? Can you explain to me what this function does? So let's ask it first what this function does because I want to make sure it understands the problem. Let's break this down clearly. Okay, please don't tell me what is a... Okay, initial get blame on range. Yes, that's right. So first we do on get blame on range, which ends up being like this. Then we pass the get blame output. That is right. For each blame line, we get the last 5, is it? Yeah, for the threshold, number of times, yes. Run the git blame again using a previous commit, update the commit ID to the new one found, collect files changed in that commit, merge with the files from the first commit to preserve the original context, set these as contextual. Yes, perfect. So line 5 in main RS was last touched in commit A, but A is merged, so trace deeper, commit B, commit C. नहीं. Maybe, okay. Let's do this thing, guys. I don't want to do this, but I'll have to. Yeah. Uh, and let's also do this if file path equal to, I want it to be, who is Nikhil in this code? Let's do cargo.toml because it's a small file. It's not an SRC though. Cargo.toml, right? Oh. And let's paste it here. Now what that will give me an information about, yeah, let's do this, okay? So when I do cargo build release, and let's delete this whole DB. Oh shit, I almost deleted the whole thing. And let's do this. ये करके दिखाओ, ये करके दिखाओ. Sorry guys. Yeah, so now it's gonna print it for me, right? So it already did, right? So let's go. Uh, yeah, over here you see, right? So this is the author details we got. How long is it? Can I copy this into a... This is where I saw it, right? I hope nowhere else. Yeah, I didn't see it anywhere else, right? Yeah, sounds good. So you have, let's go to sample. Let's paste it here. Or actually, you know what? Sample.json. Oh. I'll make it sample.json. Sample.json. Let's look at this, right? So we have commit hash, author full name, origin file path, line number 1 to 15. Right. So I think so this goes until like 1 to 15 and then it goes to 2 to 15. I'm guessing this is what we're gonna see now. Ah, yeah, there you go, 2 to 15, right? So, I mean, it's okay. Maybe I'm just storing. So this end line number just means that let's go to the DB again. Where's the DB? Okay, yeah, I did store it here. CD context pilot DB You want me to do this again? There you go, right? IPython 3. Let me do. Where was it written, by the way? If you see this 4.json was written, right? So, right. So, and if I do f this thing right, now the point is, yeah, I think we did a mistake here. Yeah, over here. Wake up. Kush sare pal kahin. Yeah, there you go, right? So for each line number, blame count, commit string, command args, new blame command, out buff, get data for line. For each line you're getting data, is it? Val dot line number. What is val? What is val? Val is this is interesting, guys. Yup. So this val is ओ हमदम सोनियो रे ओ जानियो रे ओहो शाम को खिड़की से चोरी छुपे नंगे पाँव आएगा जानियो रे सोनियो. No, actually it makes sense whatever I'm doing, to be honest. Yeah, it's not right. It's not wrong as that. Okay, I need to think about this, guys. Because, okay, first of all, this logic, I'll tell you what's going on, right? Alright, okay, now I'm questioning my project. ये प्यार हमें एक किस मोड़ पे ले आया. मिल्क केक भी चाहिए, कुर्ता भी चाहिए. मिल्क केक फ्रिज में रखा है, कुर्ता मेरी अलमीरा में रखा है, आके ले जाओ. गुड बॉय, एज यू शुड. नहीं यार, आई थिंक प्रॉब्लम इज ना, I think this code probably makes sense when you have it for, let's say you have it for a function, right? Okay, this is something I need to think, guys. Fuck it. भाड़ में जाए भाई सब चीज़ें. मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो रहा है, ठीक है. जो भी यहाँ पे है हाय बोल दो बस. I need to talk. Fuck भाई, GG यार. It's not that project is dead. नहीं shut up. नहीं ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. नहीं ठीक है वरेनम, let's be positive. Problem क्या है ना, maybe I'm just overthinking. नहीं, this project is still valid. The problem is that I'll tell you what I'm thinking, ठीक है. And I go 5 commits back for this 160-second line. The problem over here is, in the last commit, what if this line never existed? So what am I even looking for? If I go with the algorithm that I'm not made right now. Right now, what I'm doing is, for each line, you go to the commits and then you go for 1 to 162 and all, right? So what if this line never existed? You're looking for bitches. The amount of times I've RMF'd my projects. नहीं, so the whole motivation was नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Yes. नहीं, the point is, इस commit का blame देखो. What if this line never existed? So that's why maybe उस time मैंने ये दिमाग लगा लिया था, and that's why I'm doing it कि for each line you go from whole file again. You look at the whole file again. So it's possible I'm being smart already. ठीक है, and that's why, see, I'm not saying that my current project is bad. The problem is what the idea जो हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि बग है, नहीं यार, ब्लेम तो रहेगा ना. Blame, so blame is for the line number, not for the content, right? So line number मान लो इससे पहले I'm saying it is bad. नहीं, so what I'm saying is कि जो मैंने किया हुआ एग्जिस्टिंग वे में आई थिंक इट्स राइट, एंड जो मैं फिक्स करने जा रहा था आई थिंक इट्स रॉन्ग, एंड दैट्स समथिंग आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट अगेन नाउ. ओवर मज़ा आता है ना. 3 minutes से मैंने कोड लिखा है ऐसे. आई मीन देयर इज़ नो ईगो ओवर हियर. इफ इट्स नॉट गुड आई ऑफ कोर्स रैप इट अप एंड फिनिश इट. आई मीन नॉट डू इट, बट यहाँ पे पॉइंट क्या है ना कि so then how does it help to do it for the whole? Yeah, actually, so no, this is fine. Currently क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? So we have this line of code. Okay, for each line we are going through each file again. Like अगर 124th line का आपको context चाहिए, तो we are going from 1 to this, 2 to this, 3 to this, 4 to this. So we are going, no, we are not going 4 to this. We are just doing, oh no, but why are we? हाँ सही है गाइस, चिल नहीं करो. नो 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 नो. हाँ, दिस इज राइट. ओके रिलैक्स. ओके दिस इज फाइन. ओके दिस इज फाइन. द ओनली प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द एंड लाइन नंबर जो मैं स्टोर कर रहा हूँ, दैट्स नॉट यूजफुल. सी ओवर हियर दिस, लुक एट दिस ब्लेम कमांड, राइट? सो दिस इज लेट लाइन स्ट्रिंग इक्वल टू वैल डॉट लाइन नंबर plus comma val dot line number only. So it's not end line number. So we are not doing 1 to 12, 2 to 12, 3 to 12. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are doing for each file. Look at the file again. I think that makes sense. Probably the whole point is then maybe I should also, that it's not the right context maybe, or it is. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन बैठे थे तेरी राह में, छुपाएंगे जाने कहीं भी तुम रहो. या तुम लोग चैट में हाई वाई नहीं लिखते हो, 5 वॉचिंग आती है और इसलिए बग्स आते हैं. यू नो दैट्स, यू गाइज आर द मेन कॉज ऑफ बग्स. यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, हाउ सीरियस दिस ऑल इज. आई हाय बोल रहा हूँ, आलू पकौड़ा. देखो 4 वॉचिंग हो गई. जस्ट व्हेन आई आस्क्ड समवन टू से हाय, कोई छोड़ के चला गया. नूब गंदा मेरे को बोल रहा है. तब से बात कर रहा हूँ. नहीं नहीं नहीं, आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. जीसस क्राइस्ट नहीं भाई, नो जीसस क्राइस्ट, ओनली अल्लाह. आज ईद है. नहीं नहीं भाई, जय श्री राम. एनीवेज आई शुड शट अप. मुझे चुप रहना चाहिए. मेरे को लग रहा है पक्का एक दिन कर्नाटका में कांग्रेस है ना, पक्का जाने वाला हूँ भाई मैं. जी होने वाला मेरा. जय माता दी ले. गुड. चलो, इफ़ नो मैटर वॉट, एटलीस्ट वी कैन पुश सम कमिट where we clean things up. That's much better. ठीक है, I think I'm gonna think about this again and come back later. I think we are doing fine. We are doing fine. But कहीं ना कहीं कॉन्टेक्स्ट और अच्छे से जाएगा, चैनल जाएगा. आ ही नहीं रहा है चैनल भाई. 1.4 के सब्सक्राइबर्स तब से पड़े हुए हैं. जाने दो, क्या ही करना है अब. मैं बस पोते लोग देख पाए कि तुम्हारा दादा ये काम करता था. आई एम फाइन विद दैट. कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स अभी देखो, 1408 है. -5 in last 28 days. There are -5 fucking smart people who have unsubscribed to this channel. They're so smart. मैं कौन सा उनको सरदर्द दे रहा हूँ यार. आई एम नॉट अपलोडिंग, डोंट अनसब्सक्राइब. नो, लाइक मैं कौन सा खराब कंटेंट डाल रहा हूँ? मैं डाल ही नहीं रहा हूँ. छोड़ो, पागल हूँ मैं. एनीवेज ठीक है, गुड स्ट्रीम. मतलब यार एक तो बात, व्हाट इफ बोलो. व्हाट इफ क्या, अब देखो डराना ही है तो डरा ही दो, क्योंकि मेरे को लग नहीं रहा है कि मोटिवेटिंग मोड में है वरण्यम आज. यार मोहित एक कारपेट लेना है यार. ये ना टेबल हिलती रहती है जो नीचे वाली है, तो इसको कारपेट पे रखेंगे ना तो इस टेबल भी रहेगा. व्हाट इफ योर कोड इज बैड तभी दे लेफ्ट. मैं तो बच्ची मूड में हूँ. वाह मैं आया और तुम जाती. व्हाट इफ योर कोड इज बैड तभी दे लेफ्ट. बात वही है ना, कोड लिखा ही नहीं है. जितनी बार लिखा है तब तो लोग सब्सक्राइब करते हैं. जब नहीं लिखता हूँ, जब कुछ डालता नहीं हूँ. बट ठीक है, हो सकता है कोड भी बैड है. ले लो भाई वरेण्यम तुम मेरी आज. नीचे वाली कौन सी टेबल है? अरे वो जो जैसे तूने रखा हुआ है ना वैसे ही मैंने एक टेबल रखी हुई थी. ताकि हाथ उस पर रखा रहे, वो हिलता रहता है यार. तो उसको अगर कारपेट पे रखोगे ना कुछ छोटा सा भी, तो इट विल नॉट हिलिंग. वो हिलेगा नहीं. इट विल नॉट हिल. हिल को क्या बोलते हैं भाई इंग्लिश में? इट विल नॉट वॉबल. वॉबल. इट विल नॉट वॉबल. गॉट इट. वो तो है. मैं बातें अच्छी करता हूँ, बस तुम मानते नहीं हो. भाई कितने लोगों ने लाइक किया है स्ट्रीम, ये बता दो पहले जाने से पहले. जिंदा. ठीक है ले लेते हैं, थैंक यू. डीमार्ट नहीं, ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करेंगे. पता नहीं तो तुझे डीमार्ट जाने का क्या मन है. वुबली डुबली पुपली. There is a nice song, Wiggle Wine. I don't know if you guys have heard this song. Wiggle Wine Girl. Let me share this. DMart best place to go. ट्रैफिक है भाई बैंगलोर में, छोड़ो. खैर हैप्पी नवरात्रि एवरीवन हु इज़ नॉट सेलिब्रेटिंग. हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू यू ऑल स्पेसिफिकली. भाई मेरा चैलेंज आने वाला है, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ. खत्म है. मैं जाने वाला हूँ भाई. खत्म. बट एनीवेज, मोदी जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर है. ट्रैफिक क्या हो गया भाई? अच्छा. मस्ती कर रहे हो? गुड़गांव में ट्रैफिक है क्या? सच में बेस्ट प्लेस. ये देखो पता नहीं इसको. डेट डेट नाइट करवा लो वहाँ पे. ख्वाब हो तुम या. 500 के सामान के कब तक कब 5 के दे के आते हैं पता ही नहीं पड़ता है. यस यस यस. वो डीमार्ट में होता है ना. अच्छा ये भी खरीद लेते हैं. यस एग्जैक्टली, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ भाई इसलिए नहीं जाना चाहिए. तुम सुनते कहाँ हो मेरी बातें. गुड़गांव में होता है लोल, बस नॉन ऑफिस टाइम पे सब खाली हो जाता है रोड्स एंड ऑल विच इज़ गुड. मतलब let's say if I have to ask you, leaving for office which is 10 kilometers away at 9 a.m. in the morning, how much time will it take in Gurgaon? In a somewhere near tech park and all wala cheez. Okay. 30 minutes, 10 minutes, not much. Ab I'll tell you 5 kilometers traveling at 7 a.m. in the morning takes me 25 minutes. गाड़ी चलाने इंदौर में तो 10 मिनट लगेंगे ही आई गेस. रोड्स भी अच्छी हैं, लोग भी अच्छे हैं. नॉट सेइंग दैट बैंगलोर के लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं, बट मैंने ये भी नहीं बोला कि अच्छे हैं. अपने आप समझ लो. मुझे चुप हो जाना चाहिए. आई थिंक लिटरली दिस स्ट्रीम शुड बी अनलिस्टेड फॉर एवर. है ना. एंड आई शुड जस्ट क्विट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है भाई, चिढ़ाओ मत वरेण्यम. आई एम कमिंग टू गुड़गांव. मुझे चल गुड़गांव चलते हैं, घूमने आते हैं, घूमने जाते हैं. एक दिन आई कवर 10 18 किलोमीटर 20 मिनट्स. वाओ. अभी मोहित ने बोला बीसी गाड़ी चला रहा है जेड बोलते हो. खुद चला लो तो अलग ही. हाँ. ये अलग दोगलापन है वरेण्यम. तो नाम इतना प्यारा है वरेण्यम, लेकिन हरकतें देखो. मेरी वैगनर तो चैट है. क्या बात है. आने का प्लान तो है मेरा, क्योंकि गुड़गांव में हमारा ऑफिस है. तो वी वर थिंकिंग टू कम वन डे, थोड़ा विजिट एंड ऑल. बट आ सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. काम कर लूँगा वहाँ से 1 हफ्ते. डंडा डा 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 डा. डंडा डा 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 डंडा डा डा डा. आ जाओ सीरियसली, इट्स अ गुड प्लेस, बहुत प्रेटी नाइस प्लेस है. यस समझ गया. यस यस यस, आएंगे यार आएंगे. यही रखा है ज़िंदगी में. घूमते जाओ. मैं उधर ही ऑफिस बनवा दूंगा अपना भी, इफ यू शिफ्ट. अरे वाह. अपना ऑफिस. अच्छा अच्छा, यू विल आस्क हर. ओके. स्टार्टअप थिंग्स हाँ. बोल सकते हो, मतलब हक है तुम्हारा बोलने के लिए, हमें तो हक भी नहीं है भाई. perform for whole 5. चलो ठीक है. I'll go and ponder upon this now. Oh fuck, shit. Sorry guys. ये क्या कर दिया मैंने? I think I did something which caused my. How do I figure this out? Harsh. It changed my workspace. So it did this. Ah, nice. Nice. Okay, I should stop. Okay, okay. Oh, I'm not even doing something. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just happening because क्योंकि sorry वो क्या हुआ? It's very weird. So what Windows did was मैंने भले ही 5-6 बार टाइप किया लेकिन it stored it in a queue and like okay you asked for it, we'll do it for you. I'll show you again. ठीक है, ready? 1 2 3. देखो अभी आई थिंक मैंने ओवरऑल 20 बार कर दिया है. सो नाउ इट्स गोना कीप हैपनिंग. और आराम से बैठने का, एंजॉय करने का. लाइफ इज फन. मेरे को चक्कर आ रहे हैं. इफ एनीवन आल्सो इज गेटिंग चक्कर, आई एम सॉरी. लेट मी रिकॉर्ड लिनक्स का. रिकॉर्ड लिनक्स का would be quick, right? But the whole fun is when it's slow, right? You get my point? ठीक है, तुम रिकॉर्ड करो. सेंड इट ऑन डिस्कॉर्ड एज वेल भाई. अभी के लिए अपन जाएगा. I think overall you guys saw at least we have made a lot of progress. Context Pilot is working. The only problem is that the files are huge. That means sharding is not working, which is okay. Query is fast. Query is not slow, so we can always fix it. Abhi, I will hop off, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Varaniam, Mohit, only 2 people were here, I guess. Ankit was here for some time. Promoting speed on my channel. Great. I hope Pete gets views from my channel and gives me some part of his money. I should speed, yeah. Chalo. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you again maybe tonight if I figure it out. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. I sent it by the way. Cool. I'll check it. Bye bye. यहाँ भी देख लेते हैं ना. फिर मैं भूल जाता हूँ. I'm very lazy in doing all this stuff. Yeah. Okay. Okay. अरे 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 अरे. आश. चक्कर आ गया भाई. I was using KD Kali लेकिन फिर वो OBS और क्रैश होने लगा. I'm like okay fuck it. Can't. जहाँ डेवलपमेंट हो पाए कर लो भाई. बात खत्म. It's fast enough. It's very fast. Windows is slow. चलेगा. चलो. All right bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye. Thank you so much for joining. Bye. Oh sad. Sorry. Lucky. Bye bye.